Botox and fillers are probably the two most common cosmetic procedures done in the United States because they're least invasive and they're considered minor cosmetic procedures.
Fillers and Botox are wonderful because they're called the lunchtime facelift. I mean, it's very quick, non-invasive, and give excellent results.
I was looking online and I found his name, and then I read the reviews, and all the patients have said really nice stuff about him.
A friend of mine referred me to Dr. Nico, so I made an appointment, came and visited him, and as I walked into the office, it was a beautiful office, I was greeted with friendly smiles, and I felt immediately comfortable.
I just think that with Botox and fillers done in the right combination, it can really give you some really natural improvement, some really nice results that will not seem very obvious. A lot of people are afraid of the facelift look.
Everybody loves Botox, but we never want you to look Botoxed because that will look funny. So obviously I've had Botox and I can still have movement in my face without looking funny.
I like what he did, and I think when I take pictures now, I feel more happy because I see the results, and it really shows, but it doesn't show that I've done something obvious. You know, now people look at my pictures and they would not notice. They would tell me, oh wow, you have a beautiful skin, but they don't know what's going on.
Dr. Nico is a board-certified dermatologist and cosmetic surgeon, so that is a great plus for patients who come in and they want to restore volume or just enhance their facial features. So we have patients of all ages, skin types, ethnicities, and he knows exactly how to approach each one of them.
I think it's worth it to come to somebody who's qualified and skilled, as opposed to anyone who can do Botox that is licensed to or allowed to. It can make a pretty big mess of your face if you get the wrong injections, the wrong amount. There's a lot more than just putting a needle in an area and putting Botox in it.
I feel I made the right decision to come to Dr. Nico because he's almost like family. When I can call him up anytime and ask him any question, him and his staff.
Please visit our website or call 713-960-1311 and our friendly and experienced staff can schedule your consultation today.